I'm sorry, Gangle. We'll find your mask soon, I'm
We
sure.
looked everywhere for it.
Hi, Papa.
Jax,
Yeah.
what were you doing in Gangle's room?
Did you know she's
My
scared?
mask! None of that matters now. I have our next adventure.
I'm not gonna.
Bubble, a music video.
Wait.
And action.
My demons follow me wherever I go. They wanna remind me daily that I'm not in control. And I wish they would just go get a life of their own. 'Cause I need the company, but not the shade that they throw. Been out of my mind, out of my head, out of my way. I'm going in, trying to find a way to rewind, kill the static, start again. Oh yeah, that's the sound of letting go, playing through the stereo. Pump it when you're feeling low. Now here's the sound of cutting over all the shit that's taking hold of you. Just brush it off your shoulders. My best friend says I need to find something new, but I don't know where to start because I only see you. My mama said that it gets better someday, and I know she meant it 'cause she's doing okay. Been out of my mind, out of my head, out my way. I'm going in, trying to find a way to rewind, kill the static, start again. That's the sound of letting go, playing through the stereo. Pump it when you're feeling low. Now here's the sound of cutting over all the shit that's taking hold of you. Just brush it off your shoulders. Now scream your lungs out like there's no tomorrow. When you can't cut through the static, you just gotta let go. That's the sound of letting go, playing through the stereo. Pump it when you're feeling low. Now here's the sound of getting over all the shit that's taking hold of you. Just brush it off your shoulders.
Look what you did. You killed Kim.